In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to your Substack newsletter. We'll walk through the process from the moment you log in, all the way to assigning the admin role once your team member has accepted the invitation. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can confidently bring someone on to help manage your publication. First, log into your Substack account using your usual details. Once you're signed in, you'll see a navigation panel on the left side of the screen. In that panel, look for the option labeled Dashboard and click on it. The dashboard is your main control center, where you manage your posts, subscribers, and overall publication settings. Now that you're in the dashboard, keep your eyes on that same left-hand menu. This time, click on Settings. The settings area contains all the configuration options for your publication, including a dedicated section for your team. Once you're in Settings, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Team. This is where you can invite new collaborators and manage their roles. In the Team section, look toward the top right area of that box for a button that says Invite. Go ahead and click that button. A pop-up window will appear asking for the email address of the person you'd like to invite. Carefully type in the email address of the team member you want to add as an admin. It's important to double check for any typos here, because the invitation will be sent directly to this email. When you're sure it's correct, click the Invite button in the pop-up. After you send the invite, the page may reload. Once it's reloaded, scroll back down to the team section. You should now see the email you just invited listed there, usually with a status indicating that the invitation is pending. At this stage, you've successfully invited them, but you can't set them as an admin just yet. Your team member first needs to accept the invitation from their email and join your publication. Once they've done that, return to the same team section in Settings. Find their name or email in the list and look for the role field next to it. Click on that role field and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down options, select Admin. As soon as you choose Admin, the change is applied and they now have admin level access to your Substack newsletter. And that's it. You've invited a team member and upgraded their role to admin, all from within your Substack dashboard.